Oh no, don't tell mom. What's going on, guys? It's just Ameerah. Today I'm doing a part 2 to be trying out Troomtroom's weird hacks. Okay, guys? Okay. So, guys, Troomtroom, if you guys don't know what the heck Troomtroom is, it is a channel of just some people, guys, that they make these hacks, and honestly, some of them, they're actually really good. I like them, like turning a blow dryer into a vacuum cleaner. Like, what? But, like, a lot of them are, like, really unpractical and, like, really weird. Sometimes some unpractical hacks or DIYs, and they're just a little bit funky. But honestly, they're actually still cool at the same time. They're just like kind of like not really, you know, usable. In my opinion, I don't know. You guys gotta know if you like Troom Troom or not. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with them because I like their like videos and stuff. They're interesting and like their hacks. Some of them are really good. Some of them are just like they're just way out there. But anyways, I'm just gonna be trying them out and let's go. Wait, guys, but before we get into the video, I just want to mention really quick. You guys probably haven't seen much Slimatory recently, and that's because it is under construction right now. My dad is currently repainting it, but without spray paint, so it's gonna be better. And then also, he's redoing the counter, so it won't be all bad and stuff. It's just gonna be a nice new white counter. And I'm going to be doing that video with Paul soon. Right, Paul?
Mm-hmm.
Because he's at 10,000. Probably more than that, like 12,000, right?
Not sure.
And today's like my challenge gonna be try to press the like button with your nose. You haven't done that in a while, and yeah. Okay, let's get straight out into the video. Yo. First hack, guys, is a tortilla bowl with like salsa in it or something. I don't know, but we're gonna see, okay? So let's see. So it's some type of tortilla bowl. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some tortilla. Okay, you get it, flour tortilla, and then like, what? I'm confused. Okay, voila, guys. That seems a little hard to be honest, but I'm gonna try it. So you get your tortilla right here, and you get a cup. Okay, let me just move everything out of the way 1 second. So you get the tortilla, and then, okay. You get a cup, you go like that, you go like this. Okay, so then you just fold the tortilla like this, and then get another cup, and then go like that. So you're just gonna go ahead and go like, oh no, I ripped the tortilla. So guys, I decided to cut part of the tortilla so it would fit better. So here it is. It's a little okay. I'm not the best at it, but it's pretty good. So let me just go ahead and cook it. So you're supposed to put it in the oven for like 10 minutes. So we're gonna go do that. Okay guys, I'm gonna put it inside the oven. The oven's all preheated and stuff. I don't know how to get this in here, guys. It's kind of, how do I do this? Hopefully that doesn't burn the cups. Okay, we'll leave that in there for like 5 minutes. Okay, while that is cooking, guys, I'm gonna go into the next one. So this next one is a grilled cheese sandwich. So you're gonna get some bread. Okay, I've got some bread, some wonderful bread. Oh no, I didn't look. Okay, okay, yeah, all right. Okay, this looks pretty cool. So you're gonna get some tin foil. You get your bread, you slap that on. And then some cheese. I don't like this cheese, but I'm just gonna use it. I don't like this cheese, guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the iron. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna just go ahead and spray this with some butter spray. Okay, fold this up, guys. I don't think I need to fold the sides. I don't want to put too much metal. Tinfoil, actually. Let's do this. I wonder if this is gonna work, guys. Ah! That's how you know you're doing it right. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side really quick. Maybe I need to do that, I don't know. So how's your guys' days going? Just making a grilled cheese. Okay guys, now for the time we have all been waiting for. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god. Yeah, it doesn't seem too bad, guys. I feel like I might need to leave it on longer, and maybe I should have like squished it less, but I want to try it really quick, so. Okay, well this is cooking, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and check on this really quick because it's all done. Well, it's been 5 minutes. I don't know if it's done though. Okay, I think we need like 5 more minutes. So it's just been in here for like 5 minutes already, guys. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just check on it really quick. My grilled cheese is very small. Okay. It's working, guys. Okay, so you have to leave it on there for like 5-10 minutes, I think, maybe, you know?
Later.
Okay, it's been a while, guys. It's been about 5 minutes, so let me just go ahead and check on my tortilla. I have a whole meal here just cooking, and I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, okay, let me just go ahead and struggle to take this out, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Also, when you're doing your grilled cheese, it doubles as a heat pack. my tortilla bowl right here. It's a little like soft. I'm not sure if I did this right, guys. So we got some salsa. Ew. Okay, put the salsa in there. Uh-oh. Now we get the tortilla chips. Ta-da! Okay, so what's the point of this? Okay. Can you like peel it and eat them? Cause I'll try that. No, it's not good. They're cool for like decorations and everything, but I'd rather just put like a tiny bowl in the middle, honestly. But I don't know, it's pretty good. I like it. But anyways, now we're gonna get on to our main course, guys, the grilled cheese. Okay, here's my grilled cheese, guys. Okay, let's just try this. Wow, not bad. I'm trying to rip it to get some of that cheese pool, but okay, well, it doesn't taste that bad, guys. And this cheese, it's not that bad when it's in the grilled cheese. Like I like it a lot more than the tortilla bowl. And let's get on to the next one. Next one, guys, I'm gonna attempt to curl my hair with soda cans. I don't really have to watch the video because it's kind of just like, you know, plain out and simple. So first, I just gotta go ahead and chug all these really quick. 1 second. Done. Definitely didn't put it anywhere else. Don't look at that. I got my soda cans. I got 7-Up. They used Coke, but I don't like Coke, so yeah. In the video, guys, they used just dry hair, but I believe you're supposed to like kind of dampen it a little bit. So let me just go ahead and do that really quick. My hair's already kind of like wavy itself, so I don't know if we'll be able to tell the difference. I think we won't, because these are big cans. I guess just do this. I don't know what to do, guys. Just open this putty up. Great, right guys? Okay. I'm gonna put less hair this time, maybe that will work better. Okay, okay. Presto! Look at how beautiful, guys. I guess I'll just leave that in for the video, guys, and we'll check on it after, so yeah. But let's get on to the next hack and see what happens. Okay, guys, the next one we're gonna do, guys, is taking eggs and like bacon with an iron and a tinfoil stove. So first, you're gonna make a stove with some type of round object. They use the tape, so I'm gonna use tape. So you're gonna grab that, wrap it around like this, I think. You know, I'm gonna double layer my stove. There we go. Okay. Now we get an egg, and you get your pot thingamajigger. Yeah, thank you, Paul. Oh my God, that's horrible. Okay, now we just wait for it to cook, I guess. While I wait for my hair to curl, I can also make an egg. Okay, so
3 weeks later.
So it's been about 30 minutes, guys, and oh my God. So here's the egg. Okay, it's kind of cooked. I feel like it's a little uncooked, but you know, who cares? I'll just get, you know, insomnia or some, what is it? Salmonella! So here's my egg. Let me go ahead and get a fork really quick. Okay, I'm gonna eat this part here. It seems most cooked. Nope. I almost choked on an egg. Not bad, guys. Let me try the, let's take a little bit more of a risk and get into the middle. Not bad. This wasn't that bad. I'm not gonna finish it because I don't really like eggs too much. Okay. Next one, guys, it's a butter stick. That's right. Have you guys ever had a horrible time cutting your butter and putting it on a piece of toast or some whatever the heck you want? But now we have homemade butter stick. So what you're gonna do is get a glue stick, take the glue out. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut some butter. It's homemade, authentic butter. I churned this myself. Daddy. So it's really healthy if you drink pure butter in the morning. Oh, that's disgusting. I'm gonna pour that in there. Are you supposed to melt this? Close it, and I put it in the fridge.
2 hours later.
Okay, so the butter stick is all done now, guys. Now we got a piece of bread right here. I'm actually warming up my stove right here. I got scared. It didn't burn me though. Okay, let me just go ahead and toast my bread really quick. Okay, let's see the butter stick though. Like, look at that. That's cool. I like it. It's like lip balm. Butter lips. Okay, we toasted my bread. Now I'm gonna get my butter stick, and we're just gonna. I like it. It's not working. It's working, guys. I think I just need to kind of smoothen it out. Wow. Oh, well. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of sugar. Does anybody else do this? Put butter and sugar on a bread. So good. You guys should do it. Okay. Pretty good, guys. This next one, guys, is so you can drink your soda along with eating your chips. Get this thing. You're gonna get a soldering iron, you know, a super hot thing, that pointy thing, because it's super kind of kid friendly. It's not, guys. Don't. If you're not good with this kind of stuff, then get someone who is. Oh no, don't tell mom. I think I'm done. I'm gonna get this peach colored. I think this should be Gucci. Ta-da! Now we're gonna get the cup and we're gonna squish a hole in it too. This one should be easy. Think that's all Gucci? Now, when you wanna drink your soda, it won't spill at all. I'm just kidding, guys. Okay. So stick the straw through the cup and then stick it through the hole in the Coke bottle. I don't think my straw is long enough. This is how you make a longer straw, guys. I used to do this in McDonald's all the time. You know, people drop their toys on the bottom of the playground. Get some straws, connect them together. You can get yourself a free toy. Now we get some chips. Put that in there. Ta-da! Now you can drink your Coke. Really hate Coke. You should not have gotten that. And you can eat your chips.
You can also hot glue them.
Okay. I have just been informed that you can actually hot glue it. You put the glue right here. Squish it on there. Not a problem anymore. So, time for the hack we have been all waiting for the whole video. My hair. Let's see, guys. I didn't think that worked, guys. It's still wet. Maybe I need to keep it on longer. It's been like an hour though, like 2 hours actually.
Didn't work, Ameerah.
Yes, it did, Paul. Can't you see my hair is wavy? Okay, I think my favorite one would probably be the grilled cheese. That one was real simple and real fun, and it was real tasty. That is it for today's video. Make sure you comment down below if you guys want to do a part 3. This is part 2, and I could do a little something different, like summer hacks maybe. I don't know. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much, and I really hope you next time. Bye.
You see what next time?